Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a BMW Z4 guys and you're trying to find where your water pump is located, stay with us and we'll cover that today. We'll demonstrate on N52 engine, but even if you have N54 or other engines guys, we'll explain where you can expect to find it. There are probably 2 locations for that pump guys, and we'll cover everything from start to finish. Before we start, let me introduce you to the channel. Every single car we get at the shop, we make at least 200 free repair videos guys. Why we do that? Because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video so we can keep providing that free information. Now, any of you guys that need to buy a pump, replacement pump, parts, anything like that for your BMW Z4, we will have the link shared in the description of the video below for your convenience, so please check it out and you can see where we get all our parts and tools from. Also, we have another channel which is our main channel guys, it's called How to Repair guys, and on that channel, okay, we have helped more than 69 million people, so please subscribe guys, quite helpful information will be shared there. So, now, all that being said, we have the front end of the vehicle here removed. That engine, N52 engine, can be found in BMW Z4, X3, X5, 1 Series, 3 Series, 5 Series BMW in the US guys, and many more BMWs in Europe, even 6 and 7 Series. For the Z4, when they first started making it in the US, it came with the N54 engine, which is 6-cylinder engine, but it's before the N52. And your water pump used to be driven by the serpentine belt, so it will be kind of like right here above the crankshaft pulley. But on that engine, the N51, N52 guys, N53, I think 4 and 5, for newer BMW Z4, as you can see, there is no water pump on the serpentine belt. You have AC compressor, crankshaft pulley, power steering pump, idle pulley, alternator, and tensioner pulley. No pump. So how the engine actually, guys, okay, circulates the coolant. Some engines usually have it on some cars integrated in the timing chain components, but no guys, BMW made it easy. It's actually electric water pump. It's not mechanically driven water pump. It's not driven by belt, it's not driven by chain. It is right here on the bottom left side next to the, okay, you can see next to the crankshaft pulley. This right next to it is your thermostat, okay, that black thing next to it, that's your thermostat, and this is the pump. The pump has 3 bolts that need to be removed in order to get it out, but it comes out with the thermostat assembly guys. That will be the easiest way to do it, and we'll have a video how to remove and replace it, and we have a video how to test electric water pump on BMW, how to activate it and see if it's running guys. So the video is on our channel, check it out, but this is the pump. We'll have the link in the description of the video below where you can get that pump, or if you need the pump for the N54 engine, we'll have it shared there as well. The N54 engine that's used on 6-cylinder twin turbo engine guys, it's actually the same location but a little bit different pump. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful to any of you trying to figure this thing out. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.